What's up, guys? We got the Land Rover dash cam. This is what it looks like. This one is from Land Rover. Basically, we end up installing the camera for the customer. That's where the camera goes. Okay, and then you got the rear one right there. It's a little bulky. It's not one of my favorite, but it's okay. But anyway, this is on a Land Rover 2022. There's no wire showing, if you can see. Everything is wired up to the actual car. So when you start it up, I believe it has parking mode. It stays on for a few hours, and then once it detects that the battery drops below 11.5, it will shut off. It comes with the app and the phone. This particular customer wanted it, wanted to get it with from Land Rover. I guess you're paying for that little sticker in the front that says Land Rover. But yeah, this is it right here. This is the dash cam for this vehicle right here. Our numbers is 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And we do come out to you. We're in Miami, Florida. Thank you for watching this video.